Good morning, Scenic Rim. What a day. Good now. Got some breakfast straight off the truck. As you've seen, Norco's one of our favourites. Sun's up, 2 hours to drive. Let's have some breakfast first.
I ain't gonna buy you. Rolling with some Cajun cream. Wishing I were a bad brain.
What up, YouTube? Thanks for coming back to watch another video. Today's going to be a bunch of photo shoots, 2 photo shoots actually, and I'm going to take you behind the scenes like I normally do, like I have been doing on my YouTube videos, and take you behind the scenes and show you basically what I do at a shoot and how it all unfolds. First one today is Hayden from Big Chief Customs and his wifey. They've got a cafe out at Moree. It's west, but very north of where I am, so I'm heading west right now to head inland, and then I'll head north. It's up close-ish to Sunshine Coast or something. It's about 2 hours from me, so Hayden's a good ass dude, and I've always shot stuff for him for quite a while now. And in the outset of my business starting up a few months ago, he was right there. He was like booking me in for shoots wherever he could, supporting me, giving me work wherever possible. So Hayden's always been one of them guys where I put right at the forefront of my loyal clients. So 4 hours is nothing for me to drive out there and back, because he's got cool content, and it's an automotive shoot, it's a motorcycle shoot. I love that stuff. If I love doing this kind of stuff, I'm going to do really well at it. It's going to be good results, so of course I'm going to travel for it. So that's where we're going today, Moree. Sun's mint out here, so almost 6 AM. I really wanted to be on the road through here by about 5:30, but I'm about 20 minutes behind time, but hey, here's what it is, a good day. Hayden's pretty flexible with the start time. I'll get up there, shoot a heap of content, and take you along with me and show you. And then once that shoot's done, we rush back home. I'll probably drop some photos on the computer so they're safe and back them up. And then 4 o'clock this afternoon, I'm shooting another motorcycle at a workshop as well, a really, really cool workshop. It's got just a cool atmosphere. You have to wait and see that one. It's a custom graph paint on the walls, street art. It's got cool bikes and mezzanines dressed up nice. It's just a pretty rad place, so that'll be cool. And that one's going to be close to the heart because my brother painted the bike that we're shooting this afternoon. So 2 shoots one day. I don't know if we're going to get them both done in the same video, but we'll see how we go. Might have to split into 2 videos. Regardless, I'm going to shut up. That 3 minutes of bullshit talking you don't want to hear. Let's spin the camera around and show you where we're driving. Some of the scenery out here is beautiful, and as we go west, it's just some nice country out here. The day's mint, the sun's right on, so I'll turn the camera around and show you some cool shit on the way out. We'll get the drone up out there and enjoy the day. So pretty exciting to be finally getting up to Hayden and Brittany's little slice of heaven, because they've busted their ass for this, and you can see they've put their heart and soul into it. They've been working at it hard. They've been using their social media to get the word out there and advertise, and they're a long way out from everyone, so to get this business to work out in the middle of nowhere, you'd have to put in the work. They've done exactly that, so I'm excited to see it. I've been wanting to get up here for ages, but it's 2 hours drive each way, so it's just a long way for me to go unless I had something out here to do as well, and they've booked me in for a shoot, so perfect. This is great. I've been waiting to check out this location, and they put their heart and soul into this, and you can see it online, but I think when I see it in the flesh, it's going to be surreal. It's going to be like, wow, I'm here, because it's a cool little pad. I'll show you. They got everything here. They got motorcycle workshop, they got tire changing facilities. He's doing his custom paint work out of here. Yeah, Moree, like 2 k's away, if that.
Reduced speed ahead.
Oh yeah, we're getting close to town. I'm excited. This is cool. It's a weird feeling, like I've only ever known Big Chief Customs to be on the Gold Coast. Well, here we are. This is it. Home of Side Stand Cafe and Big Chief Customs. And then I was just driving up these roads and I'm thinking, there's nothing out here. It's so dead quiet out here. There can't be anything out here. And then bam, there it is. So this is really exciting for me to see it in the flesh, especially because I've seen them on the coast for so many years. It's a real cool town, I like it. How cool is that?
Pretty tight line.
Yep.
Distribute this one. Second one, challenge.
My cover shoot. Hell yeah. Well, I've showed you as much as I can. I've been busy. 2 cameras, 2 bikes, the chopper and the new Indian out there, which I'm probably not allowed to show you the Indian until it's released. Got the music. The music makes it good. It's amazing how quick this place turns from workshop into studio. And there's this killer. Let's do this angle so you can see what we're looking at. It's just a perfect angle. Fisheye. Hopefully I've showed you enough. I haven't talked to you through this, but been busy and I've got to get 2 hours back home. But how cool is the twin Springer front on this? What a build.
We're going to park it on the other side of that
That's the shop. They got the Christmas tree. Little G. The patina paintwork. Rider bells. These guys have got everything in here. Dixon slides. Need your gear, come get it. Dixon. Yeah, the Dixons. Damn. All the merch. The Sunnies. Ridders, the merch. How good. That's a wrap. Time to go home. Shoot's done. Leaving with a bunch of goodies. Got free cleaning cloths from Hayden and Britt, Big Chief Customs and Side Stand Cafe. They've given me some cookies and stuff for the family. So good, so stoked. Photos are done, good results. Time to go get to work and edit. Dude's just trying to work, but apparently he's doing the wrong thing. Without trucks, Australia stops. The old country town of Esk after a good shoot. Thank you, Hayden and Brittany, for the accommodation and making me feel welcome. It was good. Good morning of shooting motorcycles, and I did a bit of photos of their workshop and their cafe, Side Stand Cafe. It's a really cool place. I like it. Stoked for them. They're loving it out there. Alright, sun's well and truly set and it's definitely dark now, but we're heading out for shoot number 2. A motorcycle, custom built Harley Davidson. My brother did a lot of custom paintwork on that. So let's get into it. Got the studio lighting kit in the back and everything we need to do. Low lighting shots tonight. This should be a killer set. Watch this space. Got the fire going. How good is that? What a shed. Oh, we've arrived. Let's go check this cool pad out I told you about earlier. So cool. Holy fuck, amazing everything. And I even put like the fucking done. That's a wrap on tonight's shoot. It's late, 10:46 p.m. and just heading home from my second shoot for the night. But loved every bit of it, to be honest. It's late as, but when you put your heart and soul into it and you love what you're doing, you know, it doesn't really feel like work. I just love shooting cars and bikes and cool shit. And tomorrow morning I'm filming a house that's been fully renovated and rebuilt, and it's for an Airbnb or a client that's going to use it as an Airbnb. So filming houses tomorrow, so no rest for the wicked. I'll have to go home tonight. It might be 10:46 now, but it'll probably be closer to midnight, maybe after midnight by the time I get to bed, because I've got to back the photos up and back them up onto hard drives and do all that stuff. So photographer's job's not really ever done. No rest for the wicked. And then I'm going to prep camera gear to go again tomorrow morning. So love it. I love being busy. Stoked. Hope you enjoyed the video. Probably won't hear much from me again for the rest of the video. You might see some behind the scenes backing up photos. Otherwise, I'm done. Hope you enjoyed the day, legends. Thanks again for tuning in.